Hey man, we back. Another video. Hold on. Let me scoot this shit up. Alright. Another video. We got you already know who the fuck we got. Y'all seen the title. We got the Spurs. We got the Mavs. Spurs first this they opening game for the season. See what's going
Tonight in
on.
San Antonio, Texas, getting ready for the Spurs.
Turn that shit a little bit down. Y'all see what my nigga Wembanyama was doing. Damn, I forgot Dallas got Kyrie and they got Kyrie and Luka, and they got that nigga that from the Celtics. Forgot his name. The big head nigga. See what's going on with this though. Y'all think the Spurs gonna do something this year? I don't know. I think they might like just it depends on how that nigga Vic do. If that nigga get himself together, getting his form early, I don't think they gonna make they ain't gonna make the playoffs or nothing like that, but I could see them going like even, like they record being even, like some 42 and 42 type shit, or however many games in the NBA, or like negative, like maybe like 5 games max. But I think they, compared to last season, I think they gonna have a better season this year. But we gonna see though. That nigga out already. Luka. Luka Tuka. Luka really just a 6'8" Jokic. He like Jokic, but the guard version. If Jokic was a guard, he would be Luka, and if Luka was a center, he would be Jokic. Oh shit, Spurs winning. I don't know, not one person on the Spurs except Victor. Get that nigga the ball, bro. There we go. That's what we here for. 3 ball. They could really just get that nigga the ball in the corner and you can just shoot over everybody, every game, every possession. That's what I'd do. That'd be my play, my fucking play. Let's call that shit VM. No, I don't mean Virginia, man. I mean Victor Wembanyama, man. That's the name of the play. Victor Wembanyama, man. Oh shit. Spurs up right now. But I don't get Dallas, bro. Cause it's like I don't know if they ass or if they not ass. Cause they be playing like they ass, but then they'll turn around and play like they good. So it's like if they ass or if they not ass. And why? Blondie. Damn, these niggas, Spurs been winning all game. Why is Wemby not getting the ball, bro? Wembanyama should be getting the ball every possession. Even not even like just to score, but like he should be like at least touching the ball. They should be fucking running the whole offense. Why aren't they running the offense through that nigga? That's the nigga they should be running the offense through for real. Good shot. I think, I play just like Kyrie. Yeah. Except I don't got no afro. I think Kyrie got that civil rights afro. Like, you should be wearing a suit with the Malcolm X glasses. 3-ball. Ugh. Shoot it. What the fuck is you doing? Good pass. Bro, is Kyrie not on the court? Oh, there we go. About to say they got that nigga just sitting corner. Bro, why, I don't even know why Kyrie on the Mavericks. That shit don't even fit him, to be honest. Or don't put him in. I don't think him and Lucas need to be on the same on the court at the same time. Cause they both they both like primary ball handling guards. Like they need the ball in their hands to dribble and shit to score. Neither one of them can play good off ball like that. To me, at least. Bless you, thank you. Good pass. Kyrie, Freaky Reeky. 3-ball. That shit's so ugly. Get him, get that nigga to. Oh shit. Bro, this nigga's on the bench already, bro. That nigga played 30 seconds to the fourth quarter and on the bench. It's a close game though. He don't got the warm up on, so you know he got to be coming back in the game, right? And why? Who is this? Who is this Johnson nigga? That nigga hooping. And why? Oh, that nigga got 5 fouls. That's why he not in. 6 points. Ain't did shit. It's alright. That nigga probably just a little nervous. He go get right. There we go. See what I'm saying? They could do that all game. Just throw the ball up there. Ain't nobody else gonna be able to get it but him. Okay, now we talking. Oh shit, who is this nigga? Shot. Throw that, yup. Easy. They should put fucking when Collins in, that nigga Victor should just fucking take off as soon as the shot go up. Let that nigga Collins get the rebound. And then that's how I'll let the Victor every time. That's some cherry picking cheese. That's what I do with that nigga. Just throw that shit up there high as hell. Ain't nobody else gonna be able to get it but him. Let me find out Dallas. It might be Holy moly, Haagen-Dazs. Dallas won. Damn. Hey. Let me see this box score. That nigga Grant Williams had 17. Where was his points? I only saw him shoot a 3 in the video. They be hoeing niggas. Luka 33, of course. 3 for 11 from 3. Hell no, you gotta work. You gotta fix that a little bit. Kyrie 1 for 8 from 3. You gotta work on that, my boy. That afro might be weighing you down a little bit. I still fuck with you though. They did their thing though. Kyrie and Luka both did their thing as expected. Who else? Tim Hardaway 17. 6 rebounds, 4 steals. Oh, that nigga Luka had a triple-double. This nigga had a triple-double. What the hell? Wembanyama 6 for 9, 3 for 5 from 3. 5 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals, 1 block, 5 turnovers. Lord have mercy. You have to work on that, big dog. Too tall to be getting that many turnovers. Let me see who else. Shit, that's really only niggas worth looking at. That's only other people I know. I don't know nobody else. That Keldon Johnson nigga 7 for 15. I think Spurs just need another like. They need like a scorer. They don't got no like scorer. I mean, unless they go, unless they plan on Vic being the scorer, but it looked like they was barely even giving that nigga the ball like that. So he can't be the main number one option. Who the fuck the number one option on the Spurs? They might not even have a number one option. I don't know. All right though. This is a little quick one. I'm other games and shit go be coming on. I'm gonna be reacting to them highlights and shit like that. So y'all make sure y'all tuned in. Like the video if you fuck with it. If you fuck with me. I'm new to this shit, so I need all the likes I can get. Help me out. Fuck with me. Follow me on Instagram, Glade Commercials, TikTok, Glade Commercials. My other YouTube is fucking Glade Commercials. Everything fucking Glade Commercials. If it's an app, I'm probably on there as Glade Commercials. So fucking follow me. But I'll catch y'all in the next one.